Hey y'all, what is up? It's Nanubi back again with yet another video, and today I will be reviewing the Athletic Brewing Company's Cerveza Athletica. Now, if you guys have watched my streams, if you guys have watched my vlogs, I think I might have posted a video about this on my vlogs, but occasionally, from time to time, I do dabble with non-alcoholic beers, and this company is actually the forefront company, sort of, when it comes to this industry. They've been booming over the past few years, but I've never gotten a chance to try their drinks out. And one thing that'll be interesting is I've only had two different drinks that are sort of in this lane, and I've kind of had my first one was the Suntory's All Free, which was a sort of like non-alcoholic IPA. I really didn't like that one. It was very, very strong. Then earlier this year, I ended up trying out the non-alcoholic Budweiser Zero, which is kind of more like in a lager type of drink. This is the first time that I'm trying a new one that's in a similar style to something that I've already tried before. On the website, they label this as a lager, although no one really like refers to it as that. Even on the packaging itself, it just says it's a light copper. So I don't know what to make of that. I don't know how similar it will be to the drink I've tried before, but I figured it would be worth a try. So let me go ahead and crack it open. Now, I'm also not really the kind of person who likes pouring these things out into glasses, but I figured that you guys would probably want to see what it looks like, so I will be pouring it out here. Now, this is terrible because this is insanely foamy. But one thing from the outset, I was not expecting it to be quite this dark. I was expecting a little bit more of like a lighter look to it. Let me pour this out here, because I am wanting to pour the whole thing into the glass. I actually ended up pouring it so badly that it got all foamed up. Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna have to put this thing down here. I know I'm getting really I know this might probably be pretty boring, but I think we're almost all of it in there. There we go. Alrighty. So here we go. Let's try a little bit of this. I would like to kind of like let it settle a little bit. One thing I will say is that the aroma is quite strong, I must say. Like, I haven't even really like put it up to my face to even smell it, but I've already, like, sort of, as I've been pouring it out, have smelled it a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely kind of a strong. I don't know what to how to categorize it though. Kind of like somewhere in the lane of like the Budweiser Zero that I drank before, but it's just like very, like, it's a lot stronger. Ooh, this is very interesting. This is definitely like the lightest of all of these types of drinks that I've had before. One thing that's really nice though is that this is like definitely like the least bitter that I've had. It definitely goes down pretty easily. Definitely has a very like inoffensive flavor. It's not particularly sweet, but it's also like not particularly bitter. It's like almost neutral, but not entirely. Because it's kind of hard for me to describe, but it's definitely something you'd have to try for yourself. But it's definitely good. It's definitely good. This is definitely something I would recommend to a lot of people if this is the type of drink that they want to try particularly because it's not very strong. And then if they want to try something stronger, then maybe they can go to like a different style. But if you're just like wanting to try things out, this is definitely something that it's always something I think I could recommend. I can't really see myself, I had mentioned before, I think that with the Budweiser Zeros, like I like the can, but I couldn't like drink like 2 in a row, for example, because after a while the bitterness would just pile on top of the last can that I drank, and it would just be too much. I don't really see this happening with this though. So I think that's kind of cool. It's kind of a plus. I will have to drink a little bit more of it and kind of see what I think. But for now, I definitely enjoy it. Definitely recommend it. Really, really interesting to see like what the other flavors are like. So, anyways, that's all I have. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys later. All right, I should end the video.